Good afternoon, everybody. It is meteorologist Ames Weather Forecast, and welcome back to another weather update. This is going to be another triple upload. I hope you guys are enjoying the triple uploads. I'm basically spending all my day on getting these tabs open and all that, but I do it all for you guys. So, guys, this is going to be a video on update on Invest 94E, guys, and it's looking like it can be a major hurricane, and we have a lot of the models now predicting where it's going to go now instead of this morning. So now we have those good from 15 to 20 models starting to track so you guys have a better idea. So guys, if you guys want to know all the updates, everything else, that'll all come right up. Alright guys, so as you can tell now it's at a 90% chance for development, and it's going to be, oh, that was bad. So this circle area is where it can be expected to form here for the next couple of days. As you can tell, for the next 5 days, it's 90% chance. But here's the new thing. Formation for the next 48 hours is a high chance for 90%. And now 5 days is 90% chance. So it's in between the 2 to 5 days. Looking like it's going to form in between that. It's looking like it can start to form to a hurricane a lot sooner than we thought. So this is the area where we do believe Invest 94E will develop into a tropical storm Barbara, and then potentially major hurricane Barbara, potentially hitting Hawaii by next week, guys. That's the new thing we're looking at, potentially hitting Hawaii by a major hurricane, guys. So guys, it's gonna be quite a thing to watch, but that's the update for the 5-day graphical weather outlook. So now we're gonna be taking a look at satellite imagery. As you can tell, I'm not going to say it's a lot more organized. It's a bit more organized compared to this morning. You can now really see the vorticity. You can really see the rotation now a bit. You can kind of see those try to see those outer bands start to form, but we won't see it form tomorrow, guys. It says in next 2 days. It could be a tropical storm by maybe later or early by early Monday maybe, but we still don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but it is looking like it's gonna start to develop a lot faster than we thought. Now it's 90% chance for the next 2 days. It actually could turn to a tropical storm by tomorrow night. That's it from tomorrow night to early Monday. So that's what it's looking like for the satellite imagery, a bit more organized compared to yesterday. Now here are all the tracks. So guys, one is showing it hitting the Mexico area, like a little panhandle little area right here. That's really not going to happen whatsoever. All the are 99%, because this one, are showing it going straight to the west, potentially heading to the direction for Hawaii. And it's going to be a slow-moving storm once it gets to a hurricane. It's going to be slowing very slow, though, because it's going to take about a week just to get up to the Hawaii area. So we have all these models showing it coming in this general direction. In the next 2 days, it should be right here, which is where it should be a hurricane by then. But it's this general box where it can be for the next couple of days. It's going to again be slow moving, but it also is going to be developing a lot more. And it's the major why it's going to get a major hurricane, because it's slow moving. So it's going to be in these warm waters for a long time before it hits Hawaii. So that's why it's getting a lot organized, a lot faster than Alvin, because it's in these warmer waters. And it's going to be slow moving, like we see with slow moving hurricanes. They produce a lot more rain and a lot more flooding issues. So that's what it's really showing here. And then, so yeah, this is generally what the models are showing. The tracks. Now we're going to be looking at intensity guide, and also this one has a lot more models coming in. So about 4 models are showing it, getting it to category 1 force winds, and it's looking like it's going to get a lot stronger than that. This is going to definitely most likely update by tomorrow, just showing getting category 2. But again, 60 to 70% are showing it getting to tropical storm winds by tomorrow. So it's looking like it could get to a tropical storm force winds by either tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow night. I don't really think it's gonna be there by the morning. But some models, of course, do show that coming into the morning. But they all show coming in straight up once it gets to tropical storm winds. It's showing it going straight up, heading towards that hurricane force winds there. And then some models are showing it not even getting to tropical storm. But guys, don't listen to these. Really, it's going to turn to a tropical storm. It's going to turn to a major hurricane. And then some also show it staying to a tropical storm for a lot longer. But guys, it's looking like it might be a strong category 2 to a weak category 3. So that's a major hurricane. but that's what the intensity guys showing. Again, about good amount are showing tropical storm winds very soon, either afternoon hours tomorrow to tomorrow night. So guys, now we're going to be looking at the wind. I'm really going through this very fast because I don't have a lot of time. I did not plan on doing this late. But I also want to go do it really fast. Or not really fast, but I want to do it a bit faster for you guys to get the information just like that. Like for you guys to have to wait a little bit. So by the next 24 hours, we do see it getting that circulation right here. This is the wind. It's getting up to 30 to 36 knots at the most in this little area right here. It's at 36 knots for the maximum. Starting to get circulation. By the next 36 hours, it's looking the same by circulation. By 54 hours, it does get up to 38 knots. A lot more better circulation. Again, guys, it's moving very slow. It was like right here. And look, by around very close to 3 days, it barely moves. But by 3 days from now, guys, it's going to get up to 58 knots for the maximum force wind. It's really going to have a lot more circulation. It's passing through these tropical storm winds very fast. Next 96 hours, 70 knots, or more like 71 knots right here in the center. You can see that eye wall. You can really see the eye wall right there in the center right there. You can really see it right there where you don't have any winds. Like that's the eye wall, and then you see the that's the eye, and then the eye wall is where you have 70 knots. By the next 132 hours, it does get up to 80 knots, guys. That is getting up to these category 2 force winds. Look how much bigger it is. A lot more energy behind this system. Next 156 hours, it's heading for Hawaii. 69 knots. It does weaken a bit, and then it gets Then it gets stronger, getting to 76 knots, getting to back to 75, 69, and then 73. So it's going off and off. It's going to be weakening, getting stronger, weakening, getting stronger, weakening. But when it's moving to Hawaii, it's looking like it's gonna hit the Big Island, it's gonna hit Honolulu. It's something really major, and by the time it gets very close to Hawaii, it's gonna get up to 68 knots. Guys, it is really looking it's gonna hit all of Hawaii, all the islands, because how massive this system is. Look like the eye though hit the Big Island. So guys, in the Honolulu, please watch out. Now we'll be looking at the vorticity. Now it's looking like it's gonna be heading towards Hawaii too with the vorticity. So we're going to be looking the next 24 hours. We do see it's not as organized yet. By the next 48 hours, it does. So the next 2 days, when it's supposed to, it's at 90% chance. It looked like it does form there to get there. And then by the next 90 hours, you see it's at its really, really strong. It's got more, it's got just very strong winds, a lot of vorticity. This is what you really want to see for Category 4 hurricane when you want to really show it. Next 132 hours, heading towards the direction of Hawaii, moving there, and then it's going to be, look, by the vorticity, it is showing it going a bit south like this, and then going back up. Looks like it could hit the Big Island again with the vorticity showing it. Guys, it's very dangerous. It's looking quite interesting. We're going to be looking at the radar now. Hawaii's, you can't really see Hawaii right here on the radar, but you can see the general direction. So you can see by the next couple hours, the next couple days, this is all the way in three days from now, it does get up to 999 millibars. So the GFS does show starting to get to these hurricane force winds a bit later, getting up to 977 millibars right there, looking very, very strong out there for those areas. So that's what it's looking like right there. 970 millibars, very strong. It does get a bit, and then I said it does weaken as it goes towards the direction of Hawaii, and then we have next system right after this. But Barbara, guys, is looking like a powerful hurricane heading towards the area of Hawaii. Just look at that thing. It's huge. It's a lot bigger than Alvin. And if you imagine Alvin got to Category 1, imagine what this is going to be. Category 3, Category 2. We don't know yet. But all we know is it's going to reach hurricane force winds without a doubt, and it's looking like it's going to head for the Hawaii area. But guys, remember, it's a week away from possibly hitting Hawaii. It can change a lot, but we just need to focus on what we know right now. So guys, yeah, hope you guys stay safe there. If you guys live in Hawaii, hope you guys watch this. Share this to anyone you know that's in Hawaii right now, who's going to be on vacation at the time. Around July 9th or July 10th is where we expect it to start affecting Hawaii, if it even does. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe, and everybody just stay safe out there, and stay tuned for the next tropical update and severe weather update and just your wet update. Bye guys.